Hi everyone! Today I'm so bright and beautiful and orange as you can see because I'm about to tell you about my trip to Gran Canaria.
This is your captain on the boat speaking. First off today is Josh Moore, looking after you in the cabin is Claire, all Carol Adam.
We chose to stay in Puerto Rico de Gran Canaria, and it is a lovely holiday resort. It is quieter than Las Palmas, for example, but I absolutely did enjoy how beautiful everything is because Las Palmas is much busier and much more demanding. Gran Canaria actually impressed me a lot with its beauty, with the views, with the mountains, with the ocean, with the culture. It's such a small island, but it actually made such an impact on me. It actually surprised me, and it's definitely a place that you have to see in your life. Have to. You must put some effort to go there and see that place. Guys, life is so beautiful. I have the dunes behind me. I have the ocean in front of me. Let me show you the ocean. I have the ocean in front of me and I have the sunset on my right. How beautiful. Oh my god, guys, look at these cactuses. I think this is the plural for cactus. They are huge, like really big. I'm tiny compared to them. So nice. I got here some black paella. So this is actually normal rice, but they add black squid ink, and it should taste the same. With some prawns, some seafood. Looks really good, and we'll enjoy this view. So beautiful. Oh my god, I just can't believe this is happening in November. So guys, I'm trying all the possible desserts and everything that I can here. So this is Las Natillas de Huevo y Caramela. So this is something with caramel and has something tasty on the bottom. So yeah, very tasty dessert, absolutely amazing.
You have reached your destination. It is on the right side of the road.
Oh my god, guys, do you see these colors? Like they're real colors, so beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. The following morning I had a really tasty cappuccino and a nice breakfast with a view, and we decided to keep exploring the island. The roads in Gran Canaria were really good. We rented a car and it was very comfortable to drive on those roads. There is a motorway around the island, so it's pretty comfortable to go to different locations and different destinations on that motorway, and there are no tolls, so no paid roads, which is very comfortable for tourists. I wanted to show you this cactus. I think it's cactus, I don't know what it is exactly. It's like a tree, yes. Then we visited Cactualdea Park, which is the largest cactus park in Europe, and the entrance was only €6 per person. And to be honest, guys, before visiting, I thought I'm not really gonna enjoy this place. However, I was really wrong. When I visited this park, I was impressed by the amount and variety of cactuses. I even had no idea that there are so many cactuses in this world. So if you have the chance, I highly recommend you to visit this little park. It's really beautiful. Cactus Park, and it's so lovely. Look what's behind me. I paid €6 for entrance for an adult person, and I did not expect it to be so cool. Like when you enter, there are a few plants and everything is lovely, but when you walk in here, you can see how big everything is. Oh my god, guys, look at this. So cold here in the mountains. Look how nice there. But I'm like really cold. Oh, I'm just gonna get back into the car and continue driving. I was not expecting it to be so cold in the mountains here. Like very, very lovely. Okay, let's go back. Hello guys, I'm here waiting for the night time. So I'm on the Pico de Nieves. It's the highest peak in Gran Canaria, and it's like really lovely, and I'm above the sky, so I'm gonna show you some videos. It's so beautiful, and I'm watching the sunset, like really, really, really nice. So yeah, just waiting for the night to see the stars. Most likely I won't be able to show them to you because of the camera quality that I have, but yeah, should be very nice. So guys, I'm going to try a new fruit today and will tell you how it is. It looks very strange, but I hope it's tasty. So guys, this is Kiwano, I think. This is how it looks. I did not like the taste, to be honest, and it's very difficult to eat because of these seeds. It indeed tastes a little bit like cucumber, like a tiny little bit of kiwi. Yeah, it was a nice experience to try something new, but probably won't eat it again. On the last day, we decided to go to Las Palmas, which is one of the biggest cities in the Canary Islands, together with Santa Cruz de Tenerife. And oh my God, that is a beautiful, beautiful city. And I absolutely enjoyed walking around and seeing the entire architecture, and the atmosphere was amazing as well. Hey guys, so I'm in the old center of Las Palmas. Las Palmas is the capital of Gran Canaria Island, and I'm just walking around looking at their old buildings. Like, so lovely. Everything is like big, like I was not expecting everything to be like so tall and big, but looks really lovely. Overall, guys, I absolutely enjoyed my trip to Gran Canaria. It was amazing. I absolutely loved my time. I loved the atmosphere, the people, the food, the weather. Everything was just divine. Altogether, we spent there 13 days, and I managed to recharge my batteries to start feeling much better. And I can't wait to come back and visit all the other Canary Islands, like, for example, Tenerife or Lanzarote. I would love to see them as well. And yeah, I can say that I'm going home being hungry for this place, for the Canary Islands, and I can't wait to be back. And if you have a chance, I really, really suggest you to visit one of these islands. You are gonna be surprised.